whispering because this is how quiet the HP Z2 G9 Tower Workstation was while running CPU-intensive workloads. Even better, users can choose whether this Tower Workstation runs in the default performance mode, quiet mode, or high performance mode. The model we tested was running Whisper Quiet and high performance mode. This is a boon for creative and technical professionals who routinely use multi-threaded applications because sound is the most reported environmental factor causing discomfort in the workplace. In CPU performance comparisons against a Dell Precision 3660 with identical CPU and GPU, the HP Z2 G9 in high performance mode delivered stronger performance when running 3D design, engineering analysis, simulation, rendering, and video editing applications. The HP Z2 G9, with its Intel Core i9-13900 processor, also had enough juice to beat a Dell Precision 5860 with a server-class CPU. The more computing power designers and engineers have to transform ideas into reality, the bigger the projects they can tackle. This is also true for creatives. By harnessing more CPU power in high-performance mode, the Z2 G9 workstation was better equipped to render complex scenes and simulations in 2 CPU-focused benchmarks than the Dell Precision 5860 in ultra-performance mode. In addition to being whisper quiet and powerful, the HP Z2 G9 Tower Workstation has room for expansion and upgrades as your customers' needs evolve. In our testing, an HP Z2 G9 Tower Workstation in high-performance mode delivered faster CPU performance than both a similarly configured Dell Precision 3660 and a Dell Precision 5860 equipped with a server-class processor. This means users who prize performance over everything can handle their work fast without sacrificing a quiet workspace. Read the full report for more details.